Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on alterations and tailoring and find it useful.
Number 3. Reputation and trust among luxury brands. Preferred by top boutiques. Many world-class luxury boutiques in South Florida trust Sudsies with their garment alterations because of the consistent, high-quality results they deliver. This trust is a testament to Sudsies' reputation for excellence and their ability to meet the demanding standards of the luxury fashion industry.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.